This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Plenty of curb appeal invites you into this ready-to-move into home. Freshly painted in neutral gray colors. Eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances, center island, and eat-in breakfast area. Sliding door leads out to the stamped concrete patio and spacious yard with privacy fencing. Master bedroom with garden tub and walk-in closet. Recent upgrades include roof in January 2020, HVAC and water heater replaced in 2014. Most of the windows are replacement. Don't miss this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.